Hi, I'm Graham from Castle Cameras, and you join me today by the Solent. As you can see, we've got a couple of red funnel ferries just there. It's a bit sunny, it's a little bit windy, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about Canon, and specifically the RF lens range. Up till now, if you wanted a longer focal length, you were looking at something like this, the 800 f11, or the 100 to 500 L series lens, which has been a great lens for Canon, but you know, sometimes you've just got to get longer. When you see those F1 paddocks, the Olympics, games like that, you always see these big EF white lenses, and until now that's been a little bit lacking in Canon's RF range. But wait no more, because they're here. We've got the 800 5.6 and this, the 1200 F8. So let's take a closer look at the 1200mm now. As you can see, I've got it here on this tripod with an EOS R3, so it gives you an idea of the size of the lens. It's a big lens, don't get me wrong, but it's not huge by EF standards, and it weighs just 3.3 kilos, making it extremely light, and the modern materials have definitely got a lot to thank for that. So 3.3 kilos makes this ideal for taking around in your backpack if you're a wildlife photographer. Now, no wildlife photographer has ever said, I'm quite happy with my focal length, it's absolutely fine, I don't need any more length. No, I mean, absolutely, everyone always wants more. So, you know, that's why Canon made a 1200mm. They did actually make a 1200mm EF lens back in the day, but that was a £69,000 lens. It weighed 16 kilos, and recently one of them just sold for £500,000. So you can imagine it's not for everyone. Whereas in relative terms, this is actually affordable at 25,000. If you're a professional sports shooter, you're a wildlife photographer, pro, you know, this becomes a tool, and it's actually a really good, sensible purchase. Let's have a look at some of the features. So on the side, we've got the 3 modes of image stabilization. We can turn the stabilization on and off. We have focus presets. We have manual focus speed, so you can use the fly-by-wire focusing system to control the speed of your focus pools. And this actually makes great use of the R3 system, where it has extra power to power the AF system in these lenses, making the focusing speed really quite quick. And I've just tried it just now, taking some photos of some of the ships out here, and it actually responds just like a regular zoom lens. The speed of focus is quite incredible. Let's go and take some shots and see what we can come up with. Okay, so moving on from the 1200mm, we also have the 800mm 5.6. This thing is awesome. It's almost sort of similar size to the 1200mm, just a little bit shorter, but it's very compact for such a long focal length. It's also really lightweight, which allows you to shoot handheld. You can grab shots like this. In fact, they managed to shave so much weight off the EF version. This is actually a whole 1DX Mark III in terms of weight lighter than the EF equivalent, just over 3 kilos. So an incredible lens, and again, perfect for a wildlife shooter to take around in their backpack. Let's grab some shots with it, and we can share those with you now.